standard form. Here's the fact. The number of internet users in the world up to June 2010 was 2 times 10 to the power of 9, or 2 times 10 to the 9. Another fact about mass of the Earth. The mass of the Earth is about 5.97 times 10 to the 24 kilogram. Can you imagine if we didn't use the standard form, we would write the mass of the Earth as this. I know, that's a lot of zeros. That's why we better use standard form. Or the other one here, an estimate for the average mass of human cell is about 10 to the negative 9 gram. These numbers are either very large or very small. They are written in the standard form. What is standard form? It's a way of writing very large or very small numbers without writing a lot of zeros. A number is written in standard form if it is in the form of a times 10 to the k, where 1 is less than a and equals to less than 10. It means the maximum number of a is 9.99999 because we don't have equal sign here. There is no equal sign. It means 10 is not included. So the maximum value of a is 9.9999999. And the least value of a is 1. There is an equal sign here. It means 1 is included. So the least value is 1, the value of a. How about 0.99999? No, we cannot use it because the least value must be 1. And k is an integer. Let's look at the example. Example number 1, 5.97 times 10 to the 24 is written in the standard form. State the value of a and of k. The value of a is the value in front of the multiple sign. In this case, here's the value of a. So a equals to 5.97. And the value of k is the index or the power. It's 24. Next example, number 2, 10 to the power of negative 9. It's written in the standard form. State the value of a. Well, we have 10 to the power of negative 9. The value of a is the value in front of the multiple sign, multiplication sign. In this case, we have times. If there is nothing in front of it, we have 1 actually. Therefore, 1 is the value of a. A equals to 1. And then k equals to negative 9. When the value of k is negative, it means the number is very, very small. And when the value of k is positive, it means the number is very large. We have 257 million. Wow, That's a lot of number. Here's what we need to do. First, we need to find the first significant figure. In this case, the first significant figure is 2. Since 2 is the first significant figures of the number 257 0 0 0 0 0 0, 257 millions. Since 2 is the first significant figures, then we need to place the decimal point immediately after 2. So we place it here. And then moving the decimal point 8 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Moving the decimal point 8 places to the right is the same as multiplying by 10 to the power of 8. Therefore, 257,000,000 equals to 2,57 times 10 to the power of 8. Eight steps to the right, so k equals to 8. Do you get it? Good. Let's move on to part B. Now we have a very small number, 0.00043. Remember, the first thing we need to find, the first significant figure. In this case, we have 4 as the first significant figure. And then we have to place, 0.00043, and then we have to place the decimal point immediately after the first significant figures, so it should be here. And then moving the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left is the same as multiplying by 10 to the power of -4. Therefore, 0.00043 equals to 4.3 times 10 to the power of -4. I hope you get it. That's all for the standard form.